another video. It's me, Tim Alex, and today we are playing Egg Simulator. Oh god, it looks like we're murdering some chickens for dinner time. So I got 15 minutes on the clock. I still need that 1,000. Hello, missus. Can I trade with you? Please, please. What would you like to trade? Not want to trade. Looks like you're mad. Sad. Alright, how much achievements? Yeah, exactly. I already ended it. Farmer, level up farmers 500 times. Retire 1 time. How do I retire? Cause I'm not retiring. Cause like, look at that. Look. And I'm in level 10 and I already got this much. I'm kidding, guys. I'm in level 20. So, and this is the messed up part. Next level. No. We gotta go bring it to level 20. That's the best part. Like, seriously, like, I can't even kill this guy. Like, what? So that's where we're gonna go need the, other guy. Also think Noodles attacked this guy. 10 Noodles and Fake Noodles, they played this, but they did not film this video. Only Think Noodles. Think Noodles filmed it, but not 10 Noodles. I know that because I'm 10 Noodles and slash Tim Alex. And yeah. So at least get a little bit less. Like back to level 12. We at least need 500 or make that 600 because we need 600 at 600. Ooh! Chance of diamond rain. Where's the blue thing? The blue. Where? Either way, I don't want to care about it. It will fall. Wait, what? I'm gonna go all the way over there. What? What was that about? What was that about? What is this all about? Great, because I was gonna go through that way, but darn it. No one. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, game? Yeah. What do you mean I'm too poor? Oh, because we need 600. Nope, doll. Dolls. Yeah, I'm right next to this dude. Okay, what you got? Oh my god, you're on level 1? Oh. No, you're on level 7. Here, I'll help. Yeah, see? I'm faster than always. Boom! Boom! Yeah, happy? Happy that our pro is doing it for you? How are you doing, Mr. Trumpton? Mr. Pepe. Or Mr. Payme. I like to call him Mr. Pepe. Mr. Pepe. And he always will be Mr. Pepe. Mr. Pepe. Mr. Pepe. Mr. Pepe. Darn it. And I only have 100 Robux. How much is this? Wait, what am I? I'm touching my recorder. How much Robux is for this? Yes, 279, and I only have 100 Robux, so I can't afford it yet. Tommy Baconator, what you got for me? What you got for me, yo? No! I did not mean to do that! Rick! Darn it! No! No! Ooh, how you feel there? Level 9, I'm level 10. Man. Well, I'm gonna go watch one of my videos. Cause it's not videos! You can still hear it, so you can just click that and then you're back in the game. But you need a Mac in order to do that. So you see this? This is a magic keyboard. Yeah, apparently it's magical when it's not even magical. So you see that? Wait, I can't. Hold on. See that little button? See that I'm touching? Click that. And it's F3. So you want to go click that. Just hold it and then pick to like whatever you want. Like that or like back in the game. I'm just gonna go pick this. And then I'm gonna go to my I'm in a hole. Cool. Me. Hey! I'm so happy. Let's go watch it. Please tell me what Fortnite's gonna do to you. Is it gonna help you? Or is it not gonna help you? You never knew. Besides, I'm a lunchable. So, okay, what was that about? Hello. I'm back here. Hello. I'm back down here. Why was my head so big that day? Well. Ninja owns Fortnite. So you're telling me that Ninja owns Fortnite? No, that's a lie. Now that's a lie. Let's go watch you. Atomic Mulan.
In the time it takes you to realize you should have tried harder, you could get a car loan decision from Navy. Car loan decisions in 5 minutes or less. Navy Federal Credit Union.
Before that happens, I just gotta do something and then we're gonna go on the video here because I just wasted time. Why do you cost so much? Huh? You cheap. 500 times. Oh! 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 Oh, God, I'm doing it! No way! This is my level! Ha ha! Take that, stupid! I don't even have to do anything. Hee hee. Either way, I'm not gonna fight you. I'm already in level 21. Oh, orange chicken. No, it's chicken. Okay, maybe I'm not. I'm gonna end the video here. Well, I might. Come here. Yay, my level is complete. Hallelujah. Level 22. Oh